So this one's going to be a bit of a different video today, but hopefully one that you enjoy nonetheless. And if you're planning on doing something similar, hopefully this will help you out. Now, this right here is my living room. This is where I like to spend a bulk of my time when I'm not recording videos. But speaking of recording videos, it's kind of becoming an area where I like to record a few things here and there, where I would seat myself on these stools right here, and I'll have the camera set up just behind the kitchen set here, and just start rambling on about whatever I think is important. But regardless, whenever I'm recording videos in here, there is one thing that's becoming a bit of a nuisance, and that is echo. So we're going to solve that today with sound dampening foam pads like I have in my actual recording studio, of where I got one huge section just behind here next to my collection of consoles and stuff like that, and another section behind here, my gaming computer that I like to call Patrice. And let's get a quick view of what that looks like. If you would like to see a full video about this computer, leave a comment in the comment section below this video. But anyway, this isn't about my gaming computer today. This is about solving this goddamn echo issue that I have in here that makes it very uncomfortable to record videos. And I'm actually very uncomfortable recording this video right now because it feels like my voice is being projected and shut out the front door where my neighbors could probably hear me. But anyway, there are a few ways you can actually install these sound dampening foam pads. One of the most popular ways seems to be cutting out pieces of cardboard and just stick them on the back of each panel with either super glue or a spray adhesive, and then individually placing the panels on where you plan to have them. But that could take up quite a bit of time. So to take less time, I actually went into my local Bunnings and bought pieces of Coroplast, where I can actually now get 12 sound dampening foam pads on each panel, and I can stick one huge one just behind the TV here, and another one on the wall here, and another one there, similar to what I've got in my actual studio. And I got the 2 boxes for my last order when I did my recording studio with the sound dampening pads. So I've got a total of 100 left over. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead, crack open these boxes, and let's super glue them onto the Coroplast and stick these babies onto the walls. Okay, we're now on to day 2, and the glue has successfully dried, and I actually worked up a bit of a sweat actually working on these, which is a bit of a strange thing. But one thing that was very unexpected is that I actually didn't get to use every single sound dampening foam pad that I had. I still have a full box next to the TV unit over there, and I have a pile of spare panels just sitting here waiting to be used. And now what this means is I have a total of 50 spare sound dampening foam pads. And this is actually a good thing because I actually now get to fill up more spaces on the wall, and I can do 4 more of these. So now anyway, but that's for another video. What I'm going to do now is stick these onto the walls here and to the back wall over here. And the way I'm going to be doing that is using these Velcro adhesive strips. These are very handy if you're going to stick things onto the wall without damaging your paint and without drilling any holes. So without further ado, let's stick these puppies onto the wall and let's see how much of this echo that we can get rid of. And this is going to conclude it for now because I don't have enough of those coroplast sheets on hand. However, I will tell you what I'm going to do before I leave. I'm going to stick another sheet of coroplast right next to this one so that this doesn't look weird, because I mean, you sit on the couch right here and that does look a little bizarre. So in the next couple of days, I'll sort that out, no issue. And the ones behind me, there is a little bit of inconsistency here in terms of the size and the gaps. So I will probably be able to put one behind the TV here. However, I did want to stick one over here, but it doesn't look like I'm going to have enough clearance between here and here, just looking at it dead on. But in case I don't have enough clearance, then I'm going to use the panels that I have over here and these other four that I have here and just individually mount them side by side next to each other to even this out. And hopefully I'll be able to find other areas in this room that I'll be able to treat with the sound dampening foam pads. Maybe this wall, if the coroplast sheets will be able to fit. And who knows, maybe I'll find some nice cool fake plants I can stick here and maybe over here to make it look nice and pretty and professional looking, because I like my videos to look as professional as possible. But anyway, this is going to do for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're planning on doing something similar to this, then I hope that what I've shown in this video will help you out. So like the video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already for more future content coming your way, and I hope to see you in the next one.